Hey, what's up, you guys? Tom is back with another Incense video. Today, I have a fragrance from the house of Azha. But before I get into that, just want to say thank you guys again. It is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. Maybe you're watching me right now in that doctor's office getting that prostate checked. Hopefully, if you are, hopefully you're clean down there. Hopefully you're dry. Hopefully you're not funk in the junk. Okay? And, you know, with swamp season coming around, okay? Swampy booty, swampy sacks, all that crap. You're going to need some powder. You're going to refresh and rehydrate those lower regions, especially if you're going into that doctor's office getting that prostate check. Maybe you're getting a rectal check. I don't know. Maybe you're getting that old thermometer up the rectum and maybe checking that temperature. But if you are and you need to be clean, I highly suggest this anti-monkey butt powder. Okay, this stuff will keep you fresh, keep you dry, keep you smelling good. So go get yourself some of that. Or if you got baby powder, whatnot, it's all the same. Or get yourself some cornstarch. Or get some, I don't know, flour. I don't know, put something powdery in there. I don't care what it is, okay? But with that being said, if you guys are new to this channel and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very important. And likes are so important that I liked this fragrance when I smelled it at the Intense Oud store, so I decided to buy it. Now, it's been sitting in the box for a while. Has it changed over time? I don't know, but let's get into it. Okay, now, again, I got this from my guys over at the Intense Oud store. Again, if you guys have never been, Chicago, Illinois, Intense Oud store. Looks like a regular office building. Looks like they're going to be doing your taxes and stuff in there. Looks like they're punching in some numbers back there, but they're actually getting those fragrances ready and getting them ready to get shipped. They got a whole store, okay, a whole little room, like an office room. All the fragrances that you can smell, all of them, all the Middle Easterns. Just go in there and tell them Mr. Linson sent you, okay? So with that being said, let's get into this one. Now, when I went to the store, they had a whole bunch of this lineup there, okay? They had probably about like 20 different fragrances from this house, okay? This one is called the Azha Perfumes, and this one is called Cigar Oud, okay? So a product of Omniscient, whatever that is, okay? And this is a Middle Eastern fragrance, and here's your batch code right here. Now, with this being called Cigar Oud, I'm assuming that is the batch code right there that says SIG, and then it's got a couple numbers right there, okay? So, that is that. So, Azha Perfumes, this is part of the Sun collection. They had, there's probably maybe like 10 in this Sun collection, okay? You got some pepper and vetiver and rose and stuff like that, but this one is Cigar Oud. And today is probably a very nice day to wear this. It's sunny. No clouds in the sky, but it's cool. It's like 55, 60 all day today, and right now it's probably maybe 45, who knows, but definitely this, you know, thinking Cigar Oud, this is probably going to be great for that type of weather. Now, Azha, again, they have other fragrances too. This is just the Sun collection, okay? They had other stuff, okay? So let's get into this now. I think there is just one other review on this fragrance. The guy says it smells better than Montale's Tobacco Oud. Okay, so this is Cigar Oud, so maybe they did just clone it. They put cigar instead of tobacco. So I've never smelt that one. I've only had one Montale in my life, and it was okay. I forgot what it was, and I ended up getting rid of it. So it is what it is, okay? So this is that Cigar Oud. And I believe this one has like some citrus, some florals, and some tobacco, and then some oud, and then some amber, and then some all that other stuff. Okay, so let's see if we're smelling anything from the box. No, not really. Okay, so this box is very nice too. It's got like this smooth texture. The box is very nice. Okay, so looks like a regular box, but nice smooth texture. But there you go. There's the box. And take a look at this bottle. Is kind of resembling one from Ard Al Zafran, this one that Al Durgam right here. And there it is, okay? So Very similar, only this one is see-through, this one is not. But take a look at that Azha. There it is, that cigar oud right at the bottom. Let's take a look at this cap, see what the cap feels like. Cap actually has some nice weight to it. The bottom, we just got that badge code. Okay, so no just plain stickers like, you know, Fragrance World and all those other ones. This one actually has that badge code right there. So kind of looks more real, I guess, if you will. Now, I know a lot of the other Middle Eastern fragrances, for instance, something like, let's see if Riffs, see? Riffs fragrance, just a sticker, okay? No batch code on the bottom, okay? Something like this, Fragrance World, let's see. Just a sticker on the bottom, see? But when you get to like your French perfumes and even something like this, Frank Olivier, okay? See, bottom, we've got some sticker alert and batch code stuff. So this one has that batch code, not just a sticker. So that's cool. This is actually like a, man, it's actually a real piece of, feels like metal right here in this little logo right here. It doesn't feel like one of those just stickers like you just pull off. Feels nice. So overall, bottle is very nice. Cap is very nice. Let's get to the spray and then to the actual scent itself. So here we go. Azha. Azha. What does Azha mean? Wide distribution, beautiful atomizer, and ooh, ooh. I like it. I like it a lot. All the way from what I'm smelling in the air already. This is definitely one of those fragrances that I'm pretty sure is going to smell definitely much better in the air. It's kind of got this fruity, floral, smoky, woody smell in the air, okay? Smells very good in the air. This stuff is filling up this room quite loudly, okay? This is a loud fragrance, you guys. I did like two or three sprays, but as you can see, the sprays were super wide and shout out a lot of juice. Arm still has that little shine to it. Caught onto some of those arm hairs, if you will. Again, spray right here. Some of those fragrances too. If you like hairy like me, spray right there. Boom. You're not gonna wash your arms way up here. Okay, spray right there. Get that juice. Get that juice flowing on those arm hairs if you got them. So here we go. It's definitely citrusy and earthy and woody. Okay, it's kind of sweet. When I smell this up close, it's getting a little bit, this could be really, what's the word they say, cloying if you spray this too much, okay? If you spray this too much in a small environment, if someone gets close, this could be a little bit cloying, if you will, because of that sweetness that I'm getting. I'm getting a sweetness, and that could be from the fruit and stuff like that. The amber, you guys know amber is kind of that woody, and sometimes that gets kind of sweet. Man, but this is, again, floral in the air and orangey, citrusy up in the air with that nice smoky tobacco smell, that earthy, leafy smell. Okay, you get that in the air. You get closer, you definitely get that ooh and that tobacco and that earthiness and stuff like that, but you get this sweetness in there. Again, that could probably be from that citrus, like a fresh squeezed orange or something like that, but it's sweet. And again, that tobacco is very nice, guys. Again, I've never smelt Montale's tobacco oud, okay? But, man, this is as good as what I remember to smell this in the store. And that was probably maybe 3 months ago that I smelled this, because it was a fragrance that I bought and it's just been kind of sitting here. I've been meaning to get to it, but I was like, what day is good to get into this fragrance? I just said, what the hell? Let's just diving into it today, okay? We got some other fragrances still need to be open, but I decided to go at this one. And with it only being one video on YouTube, I said, hey, why not? Let's take a shot. Someone's got to be looking for Azha Cigar Oud, or maybe a clone of tobacco oud, if you will. And man, again, kind of sweet. Definitely getting that earthy, woody, tobacco leafy scent in the air. Smells great. It's definitely a room filler, if you will. Okay, this is definitely going to be great outdoors. I'm assuming that once I go outside with this fragrance, just walk the dogs, when that breeze hits me, ooh, I'm pretty sure this is going to leave a great scent trail, a great bubble. Okay, man, This one is a stunner of a tobacco, citrusy, fruity, sweet. This is a stunner of a fragrance, in my opinion. This smells so good. Again, could be a little bit cloying, depending on where you're going to spray it and how you're going to do it. Okay, don't be spraying this and just jumping on that airplane or jumping on that elevator or even in that little cubicle, whatever you call it, the little office space. Unless your office space is home and you got a big one, do not spray this in small environments, okay? Got to be in the open. Okay, if you are going to be indoors, open environment. Bar, club, casino, whatever you want to do. This is definitely a night out fragrance. Night out with the fellas, night out with the wifey, night out with girlfriend, boyfriend, doesn't matter. Now, is this unisex? Yes, and it's only unisex because everything is unisex nowadays, okay? But I really think this is more leaning towards the masculine side of things, especially with that woody, earthy, kind of leafy smell. Now, that orange citrus does add that little touch that, again, can make it a unisex fragrance. Could easily, a woman can wear this. But if you were to wear this, I would highly suggest maybe spraying something, maybe a little bit more on the floral side and then spraying this tobacco, kind of give you best of both worlds, if you will. So, with that being said, man, I'm digging this one, you guys. Azha Cigar Oud. I believe this one was about $49, give or take. If you live in the Chicago, Illinois area, and you can go over to that store and tell them I sent you, they'll probably hook you up. They'll give you a deal. They always give me a deal, so go out there and check them out. If you got to get through them onto the store, I believe they have some kind of chat thing. I believe they have a phone number too. You can Google them, get their phone number, and say Thomas Lynn sent you. Tell them to give you a deal. They probably will. But I think this was about $49 to $60, and honestly, in that range, man, if this thing said like, if Mont Blanc came out with this and you guys all sprayed it, you guys be all over it. Mont Blanc made something that smells just like Aventus and everyone was all over the thing. Or the one that smells like, you know, all the other ones, the Skywalkers and everything. You know, they say Mont Blanc, people spend the 40, 50, 60 bucks on it, okay? So this definitely, in my opinion, is worth the 40 to 60 bucks. Whatever it is between there, definitely worth it. And again, Montale, yes, you could probably pay $20 extra and get the Montale thing, but honestly, it's like, either way, you're going to be winning. You're going to be smelling good. So whether you get this or the real Montale thing, doesn't really matter. But honestly, if you see this one, get a chance to smell it, I encourage this one, okay? Even if you don't get the chance to smell this one, if you want to blind buy this one, again, you gotta like that earthy, kind of earthy, leafy smell, okay? If you don't like that, don't buy this, but you gotta be one of those frag guys that's open to trying anything, okay? So if you're into that, definitely this is blind buy worthy, okay? So with that being said, I'm gonna get up out of here. Again, that was Cigar Oud from Azha. Again, another Middle Eastern fragrance company. Again, I'm not sure if they're affiliated with all the other ones, but who knows? They all could just be the same. Who knows? But with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Peace.